Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Y'all guess what we're doing? We're doing the hot and spicy challenge. We have the 3 sauces, y'all. The 3 hot and spicy sauce. We got the mild, the medium, and the hot. And so I'm gonna turn it over to 3 challengers. They're gonna do this on today. Okay, y'all, in y'all hands.
We're going to do this one first?
Yeah.
Okay, shake it up. Woo-hoo-hoo, yes.
That's the food. God, if you will, thank us for bringing us together and bless this food that we about to taste, God. Let it be a nourishment to our body and let no harm come on us. In Jesus' name, thank God.
Thank you, God. Amen. Okay, so this is the mild one?
It's the mild one.
Okay.
Y'all, we've been wanting to do this for the longest. We finally ordered it, so.
Okay, where mine?
All right.
You got a lot.
I ain't gonna use all of it.
It's a dime.
Listen that. All right.
All right. You ready?
I want y'all to just tell me what y'all think about it.
All right.
Okay, now, this is the mild.
Let's go. This is the one. And that's the mild?
How do it taste?
It's sweet and spicy. I like it. But
Okay.
that's the mild?
Oh my goodness.
Okay. That's still spicy to be mild.
Yep. That is very
Are we allowed to quit at any time?
Oh. All right.
How do y'all like it?
I like it. But
I like it.
For it to be mild, I ain't never had a mild that's hot.
Yeah, I mean, it's like your average hot wing sauce, I believe. It's just pretty good. It just got a little spike to it. What you think about it,
My mouth.
Can we knock out at any time?
Yeah.
All right.
Tap out at the time.
I think I'm gonna go for the second one.
Are you going for a second one?
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go. This is the medium.
Shake it up.
Get all them peppers stirred around.
You can put me some on top of my
Oh, you
mouth.
want me?
A little bit.
Nah, you gotta be separated.
Okay, we'll put it right there. Okay.
Yeah, let me give me a little dot.
No, you put. Okay.
Yeah, I put too much the first time. Here you go.
And this crab is good though.
Okay.
Sister Lewis and Sister
Oh
Elaine
yeah,
made us some crab.
there's
It's
some
good.
good crab meat.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're eating the king crab, y'all.
All right. Yeah, ready to dig in for?
Okay, y'all ready?
Let me get this little.
Here we go.
Ooh, Chelsea. Catch up! I ain't got time for it. Oh, that took my breath away.
How was it, Nene?
I think the mild is hotter than the black one.
Yeah.
The black one, the pink one is hotter than the black one.
Mm-hmm.
The pink one's hotter than the black one, but it's hot.
Yeah.
But the pink one's hotter.
Oh, okay.
You
Now-
can't drink nothing.
I feel that it's getting hotter.
Ooh.
Come on, we can hold out to the end, y'all.
All right, let's go.
All right.
What about Chelsea?
Chelsea?
What Chelsea say?
It's getting hot.
It's getting hot.
My head's starting to come up here.
Help out.
It be back by throat.
If you need,
But
all right,
it's pretty good. But I believe I like this one better than that one, flavor wise.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
one?
The black
Black
one.
Oh, it's better than the.
Mm-hmm.
but the pink one's hotter.
Yeah, the pink one.
Pink is hotter than the black one.
I don't know, man. That one's kicking in.
You feel it now? It took a minute to kick in.
All right, we got one more.
I
Y'all
don't
ready?
even like hot food.
Y'all ready for the last one?
I like the black one again.
Okay, Chelsea, come on. We'll get you first this time. Go ahead.
Oh, all right.
Ooh, it look darker too.
You took the word right out of my mouth. That one is darker. It's way darker.
Oh, it's gonna come to my throat.
Y'all come on, we can do this.
Our Father, which art in heaven.
Hallelujah.
All right.
All right,
This is the last one.
so get y'all meat. Tell me. Count to 3 since it's the last one.
Yeah.
1.
Hold
Hold
on.
on. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I put too much.
Let everybody eat at the same time.
I put
1,
too much.
2, 3. Oh, that was good. That one tastes really good. You want?
What's going on over there?
Yup. I'm done.
And once
I'm done.
again, me being a person that don't like hot food,
Yeah.
I like it.
Woo!
I like it.
I'm about to start
Like my
sweating.
mouth is on fire, but I would eat some more of it.
Well, try it again. One more time. See, they eat
And I don't even like hot food.
Oh no.
I'm gonna mix it with the other one. I mix it with the pink one.
I'm gonna stick to the
I mix
the
it.
middle
Look, I
one.
put all 3 of them together.
Y'all can have that last one.
Oh no.
I like to do that first one and the last one. Y'all can have it.
See, they
Oh, you alright?
I like it.
Yeah,
I do like it.
Okay.
It's spicy, but for me to not like hot
But
food.
it's good though, like
Yeah.
flavor wise.
Chelsea, what's wrong with Chelsea?
I don't want no more.
Here.
Bad stuff.
What's wrong, Dad?
Ooh. Maybe I don't see how you doing that.
He likes it.
Yeah, she like it. I mean, I like the middle one. I mean, yeah.
Y'all eat some more of the other one, whatever kind y'all like.
I don't want nothing. I'm supposed to go back to the first one.
What? Oh my, yo.
I think this is 10 for 10. I like it.
Do you?
No, look.
You have it.
I mixed all 3 of mine together.
And you okay?
What's going on, Chelsea?
You need to soak yours in it.
That stuff is too much.
You need a little bit more that you need.
I'm gonna try all 3.
I think Dad need to try that last one again.
Like my tongue is burning, but it ain't that
But
bad.
it
I'm done. Excuse me, y'all.
Just to drink some juice, baby. Here.
That stuff hot.
I'm done. Y'all can have that. I don't see how you mix all 3 of that and you gonna
Need
just
it,
turn it up.
Ooh. You want some more of that red? See, they like it.
Oh yeah, I feel it now. I feel it now.
Girl, I'm finna start sweating.
I feel myself in start sweating.
I gotta go. I ain't got time.
Nene is the one that I was looking for.
My mouth is on. I need some water. I'm done with this juice.
She's not a hot eating person.
Oh my
Eat
God.
hot stuff.
My nose is starting burning.
I am so surprised.
And now it's kicking in.
Cause you was steady eating these. Don't worry, let it marinate down through the house. You wanna feel it?
But now I got no crap for my sauce. They made a honey, I'm not a honey, a garlic butter sauce. It was real good. I was eating on that earlier, but
You okay?
yeah.
Dad, you want some?
Y'all, this is hot. Don't go with what she. This is hot. This
I'm
is
really,
hot.
but for real though, for me not to like hot food, I'm fine.
Well, that's you. You different. Chelsea, are you okay? I don't want no. See, me and Chelsea on the same side. You on a whole nother
I don't
level.
want
Dad, you don't want no.
I'm
I
telling
don't
you.
want nothing.
I feel sweat. I
All
feel
I
sweat in my
want
nose.
is a bucket of water
What you want with a bucket of water?
or some milk.
I need to buy these for the
Dad,
house.
You
Something
need
else
to
to drink?
do that one hot chip challenge.
I need to buy this for the house.
That's what you need to do. You ain't gonna be acting like that.
You got these offline, my friend? I'm gonna order them for the house. Bet y'all won't eat all my food for now.
Yeah, you can have that. I stick to mine, whatever I use, mine original hot
Hot
sauce.
sauce. Well, me
It was
personally,
good. It was
I
good
enjoyed
and
the
hot.
challenge for somebody that does not like hot food. I eat it again.
Don't let her fool y'all. This is hot.
And it's spicy, but I was expecting it to be like.
That's how it is. What you mean?
No, that's
You're
not.
wheezing.
I'm not wheezing.
Damn. Excuse me, y'all. Yeah, this is hot.
Okay, y'all. I'm sorry. I done got my last for the day.
Are you okay?
Yeah, they ain't gonna worry about me no more.
Did you mix them all up?
Huh?
Did you?
I don't want to. My nose over here.
I'm like my grandma, I know it's hot.
You better drink the rest of that juice.
It made it worse.
I'm testing.
The flavor of the sauce is good, and my wife is different. And I guess my niece, she alright, but we enjoyed it. We enjoyed it.
That's good.
Enjoyed this, y'all. Enjoyed it.
Put that on some chicken wings.
Yeah, we're gonna do it with chicken wings,
Yeah.
nuggets.
I
Y'all
just
can
want
put
the
it
flat.
on.
I'll eat chicken nuggets. Just do the flat.
All them plastics.
Okay, if they wanna, we may get 3 more. We'll try and see if we can get 3 more people, y'all, because I think 2 of them is out.
Yeah.
I'm out.
1, 2, 3.
But Nene, she's still on now. She on now, y'all. So
Oh, what wrong?
we're gonna close. We're gonna close. Can somebody tell me what I usually say? Y'all have a
Y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now.
See you later.
Bye.
God bless.
bye, y'all.
Subscribe.